In this video, we are going to talk about highest paying affiliate niches 2022. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Do you want a reliable list of high paying affiliate networks to increase your monthly commissions? Whether you realize it or not, we make the majority of our money through bloggers' passion by marketing affiliate items. Here's a list of the highest paying affiliate niches 2022. Let's start. SEO Power Suite. SEO Power Suite, formerly known as Link Assistant, is a comprehensive collection of SEO tools that includes rank tracking, link analysis, site audits, keyword research, and more. Best for affiliate marketers in the SEO and IM areas where their target audience is seeking for an all-in-one SEO toolkit at a reasonable price. Affiliarama. Do you want to advertise a fantastic membership site that teaches individuals how to make more money as an affiliate marketer and how to become a successful affiliate marketer? If so, Affiliarama is an excellent affiliate site for you, paying a substantial 50% fee on every membership sale you produce. Mangools. It is one of the most widely used keyword research tools. Mangools is the company that offers KW Finder as well as 4 other powerful SEO tools. They also offer SERP Watcher, SERP Checker, Link Miner, and Site Profiler in addition to KW Finder. BRush. BRush is an affiliate network that allows you to advertise SEMrush, the world's #1 SEO tool, and earn significant commissions on every sale you make. The best feature is that it pays you commissions on a recurrent basis as long as a user pays for SEMrush. Thanks for watching.